Hey guys, today I am in the desert of Egypt, the land of mummies. I also want to discover something new. What is that? There is something under the sand. What might it be? It's a mummy. A mummy. I'm so lucky today. I found a mummy in this desert. Let me move the sand very carefully because it's a rare mummy. None of its parts should get damaged. After moving the sand, let me see how does it look. It looks like a rare mummy. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy I found this. So beautiful. Wow, this mummy is so cool. I am very lucky today. Yippee. Hey guys, it's not a real one. I've made it in my home to just play it with friends. Now how to make it at home. In back of the cardboard I've drawn this to get the shape. Then used paper pulp to get the 3D effect and then painted on it. Then I hid it under the sand in the box. It looks like this. When your friends come, you can just move the sand slowly from it and show it to them. It'll be very wonderful. Try it if you like it. Subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.